Are you looking for the best CNC router in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best CNC router that are available on the market. If this video is helpful for you, please like, comment and press the subscribe and bell button. Okay, let's start the video. Starting at number 5, we have the MYSWEETY CNC 3018 Pro 3-axis CNC Router. MYSWEETY wood carving engraving machine is an ideal guy in your workshop. This machine is designed for absolute beginners. If you like to use it manually, then you can use it without connecting it to the computer. You will get 1-year warranty. If you got stuck in between, then you could contact the manufacturer. This CNC router MYSWEETY is beginner friendly. It is ideal for garage and workshop. It can cut plastics, woods, acrylics, PVCs, and PCB. It has a 12 months warranty. The best one when it comes to the wood carving engraving. A 1-year manufacturer warranty is enough to get confidence as a beginner. Moving on at number 4. We have the 3018 Pro CNC Router Kit with 5.5 watt module. The best feature of this router, it can work continuously as it uses Gerbil control software. It has sufficient enough area to get your workpiece to get the required output. You can operate it at Windows XP, Win 7, Win 8, Win 10. It can deal with carved wood, bamboo hardwood, leather, plastic, acrylic, PCB, CCL. You can manually adjust X, Y, Z axis location as an engraving starting point. 3018 Pro CNC Router has the specialty to deal with precise PCB carving and engraving. If you are a DIYer, then you can safely invest in it and can deal with literally all the soft materials, including hardwood, aluminum sheets, etc. At number 3, we have the CNC 3018 Pro Wood Router Engraver with offline controller. This can deal with most of a DIYer's project as it has enough effective engraving area of 300 by 180 by 45 mm. You can get any software-related technical support. You can use an offline controller, but make sure don't use both online and offline simultaneously. You can use it for wood, plastic, acrylic, soft metal like copper and aluminum. You can directly import pictures to laser GRBL for engraving. This CNC 3018 Pro Wood Router Engraver comes with an offline controller. Make sure this is not designed to deal with harder materials like steel milling or engraving. Overall, it is the best for small projects. At number 2, we have the BobsCNC Evolution 3 CNC Router. Evolution 3 CNC Router is according to the modern requirements. It has the latest Arduino-based microprocessor. It can be operated with all types of operating systems, including Windows, OS X, Linux, and Raspberry Pi. This CNC router is beginner-friendly, and all the instructions are available on the manufacturer's website. It has Arduino-based microprocessor. It communication through USB port. The BobsCNC Evolution 3 CNC router is cheap but the best to deal with hard material through rigid laser cut. This is a smart CNC router as it uses Arduino-based microprocessor. And finally at number 1, we have the VEVOR CNC Router 6040. VEVOR 3-axis CNC Router Kit is SA complete package for your small shop. You can operate it via computer with all types of latest Windows operating system like Windows 2000 XP, Windows 7, and the Windows 10. The aluminum backing plate makes it easy to clean, and also it helps to control the dust in your shop. It has a wide working table dimension that allows you to deal with the big workpiece. It has a total power of 1000 watt that makes it different from others on the list. VEVOR 3-axis CNC Router Kit is not exclusive to a dedicated project but a handy CNC machine for a small shop. It can handle big workpieces efficiently. The best part is it is much more powerful, which means it can also deal with soft aluminum. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the video. If the video is helpful for you, please like, comment and share to your friend. Then don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.